Here we will see Introduction to NumPy in Python. NumPy is an open source Python library which is used in almost every field of science and engineering. It stands for Numerical Python. It is a general purpose array processing package which provides a high performance multidimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays. It is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python, which is open source. The NumPy API is used extensively in Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, scikit-image, and most other data science and scientific Python packages. NumPy arrays are more efficient than standard Python lists and provide a convenient way to perform element-wise operations, reshaping, slicing, and broadcasting. With its rich set of functions, NumPy makes array manipulation and transformation tasks much easier and faster. There are some features of NumPy. The NumPy library contains multidimensional array and matrix data structure. It provides ND array, a homogeneous n-dimensional array object with methods to efficiently operate on it. NumPy can be used to perform a wide variety of mathematical operations on arrays. It adds powerful data structure to Python that guarantees efficient calculation with arrays and matrices, and it supplies an enormous library of high-level mathematical functions that operate on these arrays and matrices. It provides sophisticated, that is broadcasting functions. It gives tools for integrating with C, C++ and Fortran code. It is useful in linear algebra, Fourier transform, and random number capabilities. An array is a central data structure of the NumPy library. An array is a grid of values and it contains information about the raw data, how to locate an element, and how to interpret an element. The elements are all of the same type, referred to as array D type. It is also called ND array because it is an n-dimensional array. They are indexed using non-negative integers starting from 0. NumPy array acts similar to Python list but is totally different in execution and is relatively a lot quicker. Different NumPy applications are: it can be used for mathematical operations and also it can be used as an alternative for MATLAB. For any backend code, NumPy is important because Pandas and NumPy work well together. It helps in plotting while using the Matplotlib Python library. It is an important part of machine learning and data science algorithms.